Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the drain hose on your dishwasher. The reason why you might have to do this is because the hose is cracked or damaged, causing water to leak on the floor. For this repair, all we'll need is a 1/4" nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for our demonstration. It's a Maytag. Keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you have at home, but the same technique should still apply. So now I'm going to take out the bottom rack here, set that off to the side, and then we can close up the door and go to the bottom of the dishwasher. And here you'll see the end of our drain hose that goes into the drain pump right there. The other end is usually attached to your kitchen sink or a disposal of some kind to drain into. However, with our example, you don't actually have a kitchen sink or anything to do that, so we're just going to show you right here. And what we're going to do is use a 1/4" nut driver in order to remove this clamp here. And once that clamp is nice and loose, we can remove it. So. And then you're just going to want to remove this clamp from the hose all the way. And likewise, if the other end of your hose has a clamp on the other end holding it to your pipes or whatever, you're going to want to do the same thing on that. Now, you can grab your new OEM replacement drain hose. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now we'll put the clamp onto our new hose. So we'll put our hose onto the drain right there. And once we've done that, we can tighten up our clamp. And once you've got the clamp tightened down, you should be able to keep it in place right there like that. Then what you can do is hook up the other end of your hose to your drain or disposal. And then once you've done that, you can set it back up, plug everything in, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.